Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make the best homemade burger of the moment. I'll walk you through every step, from choosing the right ingredients to putting together a burger that looks and tastes like it came straight out of a gourmet kitchen. Stay with me, follow along carefully, and I promise you won't want to miss this. Step 1. Selecting the ground beef. First, we need to choose the finest ground beef. Look for meat with good marbling. That's the key to a juicy, flavorful burger. I always select premium ground chuck with an 80-20 fat ratio for the perfect balance of flavor and texture. Step 2. Adding seasonings. Time for the magic. We're adding salt, freshly ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and just a touch of paprika for that extra depth of flavor. Step 3. Preparing the meat mixture. Now let's gently break apart our ground beef in this large mixing bowl. We want to handle the meat as little as possible to keep it tender. Step 4. Incorporating breadcrumbs and egg. Here comes the binding agent, a fresh egg that will help hold our burger together while keeping it moist. Then we add fine breadcrumbs for texture and to absorb those delicious juices during cooking. Step 5. Mixing the burger mixture. This is the most important step, mixing everything together with a gentle folding motion. We're not making meatballs. Here, light, careful movements preserve the meat's texture and ensure our burgers stay tender and juicy. Step 6. Forming the patties. Now we shape our patties. Each one should be slightly larger than your bun because they'll shrink during cooking. Make a small indent in the center with your thumb. This prevents the burger from puffing up into a ball. Step 7. Preparing the grill pan. A hot cast iron pan is our secret weapon. I'm heating it to medium-high and adding just a touch of oil. The pan should be hot enough that the oil shimmers. That's when we know it's ready for perfect searing. Step 8. Cooking the first side. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. That's the sound of perfection beginning. Step 9. Flipping the burgers. Time for the flip. One smooth motion with our spatula. Look at that incredible sear we've achieved. The bottom should be golden brown and crispy. Now we'll cook the other side for another 3-4 minutes. Step 10. Adding cheese and final cooking. Step 11. Toasting the buns. While our cheese melts, we're toasting our buns cut side down in a separate pan. Golden, crispy buns are essential. They provide texture contrast and won't get soggy from the juicy burger. Step 12. Final assembly and plating. Assembly time. Fresh lettuce for crunch, ripe tomato for acidity and freshness, and any other toppings you love. Step 13. The perfect final result. Behold, our masterpiece is complete. Look at this incredible burger. The golden bun, the perfectly melted cheese, the fresh vegetables, and that beautifully cooked patty. This is what culinary passion creates. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time for another delicious recipe here on Monkey Bites.